Well, hello everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. Whew, I'm telling you. Today is Saturday, March 27th, 2021. And I'm not sure when this is going to upload. I'm having so much issues with my internet these days. We had this horrible windstorm here in northeastern Pennsylvania yesterday, and ever since then, everything's like off kilter, including myself. So, first off, welcome. Those of you that are new to my channel, thanks so much for joining me. I really would appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. And I have the windows open today. I'm already up, showered, laundry going, and it is only, my watch will work, 7:54 in the morning. So I would say, yes. So thought I would finally do an opening and unboxing of my paper pumpkin. Now this paper pumpkin has been MIA for the past week and a half. A week and a half. Like, it's been sitting somewhere in Wilkes-Barre, which is where I live, Pennsylvania, for a week and a half. And finally, damaged, but it arrived. So I don't know where it went. If only this box could talk. So I know I'm late to the game. This is the Here's to You March 2021 box, and this is a monthly subscription box through Stampin' Up. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I am happy to finally have received this. Better late than never. And it just seems like everything I get anymore in the mail is just like late. I don't know. Let me get a sip of my coffee. Allergies are killing me. Body is killing me. If anything could go wrong, I'm going to say, and what is this stuck to me? It could go wrong for me. How many of you have had those kind of days? Okay, sip of coffee first. Okay. So this is a special box this year. This is the adventure continues. Make even more mountain magic with this month's kit and coordinating stencil set. If you've hit a creative crossroads with your stencil set, clean up your binoculars, dust off your hiking boots, and let our pretty project samples be your guide. So these are alternative ideas using this month's paper pumpkin kit, and we got some free items this month. How exciting. So this does say, for tips and tricks to help you use your stencils, visit Paper Pumpkin on YouTube or scan this QR code with your smartphone. Huh. All right. So this is a special month because Stampin' Up! Has given us some free items. So they gave us one of our Stampin' sponges, and let me open this up, some free stencils. So I'm excited to do some playing with this. So we have some clouds, and we have some mountains, and we have some stars, and we have a sunburst. So how fun are they? And this one feels like super thick. Well, probably because this one is cut out so much, but I don't know, it just seems different than the others. All right. Maybe not. Maybe because these are cut out. Okay, so we got those and we got a sponge. So I'm excited to do some creating with that. Every month we do get a stamp set. And sorry about the crinkling. Let me bring in this paper so we can take a look at it. Let's see, there are some trees here. It looks like some flowers here. Oh boy, this is little writing on here. Oh, I'm trying to see, is there something on here that I'd be able to read it? Nothing on there. And one is Here's to You. Let's celebrate you. Did that come on this one? No, that did not. Happy birthday. Ooh, that font is little. Congratulations. All the best for a happy, healthy, and prosperous year. And here we go, one more. may your journey through life, I feel like a first grader, take you to too many new and exciting places. Oh, that was a struggle. I mean, really? Can we get any smaller font? Once you ink them up, though, they'll be easier to read, but it's just, you know, you're looking through this clear plastic. All right, let's move on. Just been my kind of day. I would expect nothing else. So we have the stamp set Calypso Coral. Real pretty color. Love that. And then it's wrapped up so nice. It's like a little package, a little gift. And inside here, get rid of that. I know that drives some people nuts. Can't help it. We have the Here's to You kit of all the necessary items needed to create this month's. Oh man, I can't talk even. I probably shouldn't have even done this video today, but I just wanted to do it before I forget. And heck, you know, next month's will be coming soon, which if you haven't seen that one, it's super cute. It's going to be with popsicles, and it just looks it's going to be a lot of fun. Lots of dies and things. So we have some mini dimensionals, and we have some of our linen thread. I love the linen thread. Never have enough of that. Okay, so it looks like we have some craft envelopes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 of those. Okay. And then we have some liners for our envelopes. And we have 2 different styles. So what you do with these is you put them inside like so, and that will line your envelope. So my suggestion right off the bat, before I even start creating, is to slip this in here, because you saw it's not hard, it's just a little bit of wiggling, and stick it in here, and then put your adhesive on here, and then stick it to your envelope. And your sealer is like right here, so it goes right below the area where it would have the glue on there. So those are fun. Or, you know what my thought is, as soon as I'm seeing these, is like, these can be incorporated into designing. So yeah, love that. All right, so we have 4 of our card bases, and that's printed on there. And the other side is white. So already I'm thinking I'm going to be cutting these in half. I always make 1 of each of the samples suggested, and then I just let loose and be creative. So we have 4 of those. Then we have 4 printed fronts. These are pretty. I love those. And you see how that coordinates with the envelope with the little flowers there, like that. So there's 4 excuse me, 4 of those, and I'm going to end up losing my voice yet. And we have some die cuts here that you can stamp on. We have 1 sheet of those. And we have some other die cuts that they just punch right out. Some clouds, and then some, looks like old olive to me, little pieces down here that punch out. And then we have 4, oh gosh, 4 of these. This almost looks like pretty peacock. 4 of them. And the inside is white. I'll have to look up the colors when I'm done here. And then we have some more dies. I apologize. I don't know. Allergy season, right? You have to be careful with these as I'm like roughhousing them. Remember, we've had something like this before. And just have to be gentle. They're really fine, intricate, laser cut. There we go. Little trees. Okay, so we have 2 sheets of those. And then, of course, we have some mini glue dots, which these work really well. And a piece of chipboard, which, you know, I always save because you can use that for other things. And then we have our instruction sheet, which, you know, really simple. I always like down here they give you a little ruler so you can measure. So when they tell you you need 16 inches of linen thread, you can use this to measure with. And black and white pictures and just a little instruction there. And then on the back, we have what your kit includes. So let's see, the coordinating colors are Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pretty Peacock, and Seaside Spray. Which, by the way, the Pretty Peacock, Seaside Spray are retiring colors. They are in colors that are going to be retiring. So you'll want to definitely check out my online store at stampinsucreates.stampinup.net, because the retirement list came out this week, because our new catalog will be coming out in May, and all the in colors from the previous 2 years, not the ones that came out last year, but the ones for the 2 years prior, all the items with those in colors will be retiring, and that includes those two. Bumblebee is one of the new colors from last year, so that'll be coming back. So we also have some alternative ideas here, which is really nice. Do more with this month's kit. They rise every month with a fun, easy project, complete with instructions, but switching it up and making it your own can be half the fun. Use your imagination plus coordinating products from Stampin' Up! To create alternative projects like the ones shown above. See a list of coordinating products that match this month's kit at stampinup.com/paperpumpkin-coordination. And then, of course, we have all the social medias where you can find Paper Pumpkin. So if you're looking for alternative ideas and you can't come up with your own, once you take a look at some of those, you'll be inspired to create some of your very own. So there is a video to show you how to make the project if you're a visual person, and that is at pumpkinhowto.com. So yeah, this is really nice kit. They're really, every month I have to say, they're really different. They do provide everything pretty much that you need. You may want to grab yourself a pair of paper snips. You have your stamp set, your ink spot, and then this month, some of our free items, which is super fun to add and coordinate with the projects, are these fun 4 stencils. So that is the March 2021 kit by Paper Pumpkin, and it is called Here's to You. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I know it was long in coming, but always a treat to receive this in the mail. It's only $22 a month, and with all the items that you receive in here, where can you get a kit for that? Plus, when you're done with the consumables, you still have your ink spot and your stamp set. And this month, you have your sponge and your stencils. So it's a great deal. So if you're not yet a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, be sure to head on over to my online store and subscribe and try it out for yourself. Holidays are over, summer is coming, vacations will be starting. This is a great box to take on your vacation. And when you have some downtime, you just want to relax and kick back, pull out your Paper Pumpkin kit, and just be creative. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.